Hello, my name is Alex. I'm a senior innovation manager at E.ON, and welcome to the next episode of Future Fuel. I'm here today with Chris Gumppenberg from KUGU. He's founder and CEO of KUGU, one of our portfolio companies working together with several departments at E.ON for quite a while now. Hi, Chris. Very happy to have you here.
Thank you, Alex. Thank you for having me. Yeah, like you said, we are already working since a couple of years with E.ON, especially it is the local grid operator here in Eastern Germany. And yeah, they're using already since a long time our product, and yeah, quite excited to be here. Thank you. Yeah, maybe I can start a little bit talking about KUGU. We basically founded the company based on the problem that a lot of land owners and also homeowners, property managers, they have no incentive to save any energy in like multi-tenant buildings. You invest something, but at the end of the day, it is the benefit is always with the tenant. We got this said many times, and we then found that there are business models around energy transparency and also savings, which have a huge impact because they're allocatable to the tenant. So that's why we focused on the sub-metering business. We focused on the contracting companies where you have basically your supply energy because you own the heating systems. So what we are basically doing, so our platform for the digital building management is connecting the people, the stakeholders of a building, like energy companies, the owners, and also property managers, the tenants, with their building energy data. But also additionally, we basically connect these stakeholders with the use cases of the energy data. So there we have found a nice impact where the business meets the ecological benefit in these buildings. And then that's, I think, also something where we connected in the last year.
Yes, and that's quite interesting because one might ask, why should E.ON be worrying about saving energy at their customer side, so at the building? Because actually we are selling energy as our core business. But of course, the energy world is changing. We are in the middle of the energy transition, and we at E.ON, with our 50 million customers, are very aware of this, and we want to take the responsibility and drive this change. So we think, of course, we will, if we support the saving of energy, a piece of our business will go down. But on the other hand, we will be able to offer new services like photovoltaics, battery solutions, or solutions for e-mobility. So this will not be a showstopper for us, rather than an opportunity. And one segment where we are looking into this together with you guys is the co-living sector and the student housing sector, where tenants mostly pay flat rates for their energy bills. So they have no incentive to save energy, because the bill at the end of the month will always stay the same, no matter if they turn on the heating or turn it off. And we don't want to do this in like a very boring and traditional way by putting on fines or just showing the consumption. We want to do this in a easy and fun way. So we are working on providing a digital solution based on gamification, where we have these tenants in the community competing with each other. And yeah, actually we really see in the first tests quite some good results, and we are having high hopes in this concept. And maybe, Chris, you can elaborate a little bit more about the savings potentials we have here.
Yeah, absolutely. I think it's a great approach because we can see already only with our app, which just makes it transparent for the tenant. So we have provided this app where we connect the energy data from a specific apartment with the tenants. And we can see there already savings up to 10%. And also studies say that. But if you really put this on the next level, where you put the gamification, where you basically hit the time of the nerve of the time at this moment, where people are like really not because only they save money, but because they want to do something good. I think the potential might be much bigger than the 10%. And again, I think not only the tenants then benefit if we have a better insight into the buildings, if the landlord, if your customers, if yourself have better insights into the buildings, we have another probably 8 to 12% saving potentials on the heating system sides or in the energy system side, because we can really use that data to make better decisions of settings like heating curves, like night shutdowns, etc., where we can save additional energy just because we know more about the building. So I think this is a really has both huge impacts. We can here save energy and do something good.
Yeah, thanks, Chris. I think that's a really huge opportunity where we can save more than 20% of the energy, improve the CO2 footprint of people's behavior, of the buildings. And yeah, I hope you learned a little bit more about how to digitize the building industry, how to save energy, how to make the world a better place. And we are looking forward to the next episode. Chris, thank you for being here, and yeah, have a good day.
Yeah, thank you very much for having me. I'm very happy if anyone has questions, learn more about KUGU, contact us, reach out. Very happy to do so. And I'm looking forward to our projects, hopefully many more to come. Thank you very much.
Yes, thank you. Bye-bye.